Good evening, friends. My name is Kapil Bindi. I represent Speed Force. As my logo suggests and as our tagline suggests, service is our strength. We are into multi-brand two-wheeler franchisee providing company, established since last 2010. Current operations are present in around 26 states and 140 plus outlets, with 3 countries operational in around Southeast Asia. One fine day, I I was searching this on Google, that which is the best company in the IT industry in my city, in my Vadodara city in Gujarat. So the first name that came was of Dream Design. Immediately, without any thought, without giving a second thought, it was 7:30 or 7:45 in the evening. I called up the number given in that website, in their Dream Design website on Google. I called up that number, and this is a real story, friends. You can check my phone records and I can show it to you. 3 years back phone records, I still have it. So I called up the number given, and the response that came was so instant. The next day, 10:30, Dream Design team was there at our office, and they had explained me what difference they can make to our business. So I called up my team, management team and decision making team immediately on that very day. And to be very honest, friends, till 4:30 we all sat together. It was 6 hour long discussion, which was supposed to be having half an hour, 1 hour discussion. It stretched till 6 hours. And team Dream Design gave us so many solutions in terms of website, in terms of digital media marketing, in terms of our presence in each and everybody's pocket in mobile. How could we do it? What are the things that they could do it? They had given so many solutions, and I am very happy to say that when we met Dream Design 2.5 years back, I suppose, we were at 37-40 outlets. Today we are at 140 outlets, and the major contribution and the major share goes to Dream Design. Not only the solution providing company, but also support system. We have seen their team working with our team till late nights. See, we are their clients. They are one of the team that works with us, but the support they have given to us around 11:30, 12, they keep on working with us, because we don't stop, because we don't get stuck up. That is their main intention. As a client service perspective, what we understand, what we believe in our clients, the same way we got a response from team Dream Design. And their owner, Mr. Krishna Bhai, has always been very, very, very supportive, and we have never felt that we are working with a company or a vendor or any other person. It's like a familiar affair, and it's like a same affair that what we work. It's been a long relationship now, and we hope that this company grows into huge stature, and we keep this relationship over and over and growing ever again, because we have worked with many companies, we have worked with many people in IT industry in past, but the satisfaction that you get from team Dream Design, always responsive. See, there is one thing, reaction and response, but Dream Design has always been giving us response rather than being reactive on the problem. That is what we wanted, and that has really, really, really helped us. So I wish team Dream Design all the very best, and for a bright future, and they always grow. Thank you. Jai Hind.